Good morning, children. Today we'll do in Social Studies, Chapter 13, The Animal Wealth of India. Now, what does that title say? Like how rich we are in the name of animals, how much animals we have, that we are going to do in this chapter. In this lesson, we are going to learn what is livestock, uses of animals, white revolution, and blue revolution. Children, I think in class 3 you must have read about people having different occupations in order to earn money. Okay, occupations like poultry farming, cattle rearing, dairy farming, etc. are dependent on animals. All these occupation, like see, poultry farming, it is definitely dependent on hens and other stuffs, and cattle rearing, dairy farming also, again cows and buffaloes, they are added into it. So all the occupations are dependent on animals. Is that clear? In fact, the relationship between man and animals like cow, horse, goat, etc. is quite old. Animals that are kept on farms for use and profit are called livestock. I said, no, we are going to learn about what is livestock. So, what is livestock? Animals that are kept on farms. All the animals which are kept on farms, for what use? For the profit. जो भी profit, munafa, profit, for profit are called livestock. So children, please underline this. This can come as definition. Animals that are kept on farms for our use and profit are called livestock. Now, uses of animals. Cattle is used for plowing, that everybody knows, and leveling the field. Can you see the picture? Farmer plowing the field. And some Indian farmers cannot buy tractors, so they use oxen for plowing their fields. They are used to turn the Persian wheels. That is Rahat. I'm showing you the picture of Persian wheel. Here, see, you can see the picture of Persian wheel. Bullock carts are used as a means of ट्रांसपोर्ट इन विलेज. बुलक कार्ट्स जो होते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट की जैसे काम आते हैं. दे वी हैव लेस ऑफ बसेस एंड cars and motorcycles and all, so they use bullock carts as means of transport. They carry farm produce to cities. The waste of these animals serves as manure. Can you imagine? Whatever waste these animals have, it is used as manures in the fields. Biogas, which is a fuel, is produced from cow dung. Biogas is a fuel जिससे लोग खाना बनाते हैं. मीन्स इट वर्क्स एज अ फ्यूल. फ्यूल मीन्स आग का काम करता है. एंड इट इज़ मेड फ्रॉम काउ डंग. यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ काउ डंग. Dung means gobar. It is used in villages for cooking and lighting gas lamps. These biogases are used for cooking also and lighting lamps also. Poultry farm and fishing. Fish provide eggs and meat for a protein-rich diet. See, poultry farm, you get eggs there, and even fish you get. So these are and meat for a protein-rich diet we get from these places. Goats also give us milk and meat. Goats also give us milk and meat. From milk and eggs, many things like cream, curd, butter, pastry, etc. are made, that you know very nicely. The place where hens, chicken, etc. are raised for meat and eggs is called a poultry. Now you have to underline this. What is poultry? Poultry farm means the place where hens, chicken, etc. are raised for meat and egg. Raised means उन्हें बड़ा किया जाता वहाँ पे. That is called poultry. Wool is obtained from sheep. Where do we get the wool from? Sheep. Skins of animals are used for making hides, from which leather products like shoes, bags, belts, etc. are made. You know, in the science chapter also you were seeing how we take the wool of the sheep, and here they are taking for the use other different animals. They are taking out the skin or the wool top hides, which is used for leathers. Like, and what do we make from leathers? Like shoes, bags, belts, etc. Animal hair is used for making brushes for painters, artists, etc. The painting brush which you are using, it is made by animals' hair. The camel is used as means of transport in desert. That we have already done. That camel is used as a means of transport in desert. Milk cattle, that is animals providing milk, have been given special care and attention in our country. Means animals which are given, which gives milk, we take a lot of care of these animals. This has helped in increasing milk production. This has led to white revolution. Why it is called white revolution? Because the color of milk is white, and this product gives lot of money to our country. That is why we had a white revolution with late Dr. V.G. Kurian, is known as the father of white revolution. He started this revolution to protect animals who are giving milk, and for these productions to help them out to work out nicely in this field and do good for the animals, those who are giving milk. So you have to underline Dr. V.G. Kurian, who is the father of white revolution. Can you see the picture of Dr. V.G. Kurian? Some insects are also very useful to man. Bees give us honey. आपको पता है मधुमक्खी शहद देती है हमें. We get silk thread from silkworm, which is used to make silk cloth. Tamil Nadu is famous for its good quality silk saris. So about silk also you know it very nicely. We have done it before also. India has about 1/5 of the world's cattle, but the quality of cattle is poor. Our cattle is weak and unhealthy. Efforts are being made to improve the quality of domestic animals and milk cattle. It is really strange, children. India is having the world's 1/5 of world's cattle is in India only. But you know the problem, our cattle are very weak and unhealthy. So government is still trying to improve the quality of the domestic animals or the animal milk cattle. Now veterinary dispensaries have been opened in major villages, towns and cities where special medical services are provided for animals. You know veterinary means hospitals for the animals. It has been opened in villages because all the farms and poultry farm, most of them are in villages. To improve, why have we opened this dispensaries? To improve the quality of livestock. Special assistance is provided to the farmers. Better quality of fodder is provided to increase the yield of milk. As a result of this, production of milk has increased considerably. You know, ये livestock को improve करने के लिए they have started giving better fodder. Fodder means food for animals. Animals जो भी ये cow, buffaloes जो food खाते, that is called fodder. They have started giving very nice fodder also to increase the production of milk. And now it is definitely done and production of milk is considerably increased. Increase in fish production is being encouraged through a movement called the Blue Revolution. Now what is Blue Revolution? Blue Revolution means increase in the fish production. Fish is cultivated for commercial purposes in artificial ponds. This is called pisciculture. You know what is pisciculture? जहाँ पे fish की cultivation होती है. Fish को they keep the fish in ponds, small ponds, feed them properly and take care of them in artificial ponds. This is called pisciculture. Okay. A large amount of fish is frozen and dried for export. बहुत सारे फिश को फ्रीज भी किया जाता है और ड्राई भी किया जाता है एंड इट इज़ एक्सपोर्टेड इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ pisciculture. Now, water pollution has affected fish breeding and made fish unfit for eating. Now, people started polluting the water, so it is very difficult for the fishes to survive in this water and they eat all dirt and most of the fishes die. It is our moral duty to take care of animals because they are very useful to us. Do you agree with this? Cruelty towards animals should be avoided at all cost. जो भी cruelty हम animals के साथ करते हैं, we should stop it. Now, few meanings, definitions, keywords I'll be telling you. Livestock means farm animals such as cows, buffaloes are called livestock. Milk cattle, I've already told, animals providing milk. White revolution, movement leading to tremendous increase in production of milk and milk products. Blue revolution, just now I've told you, a movement aimed to increase fish production. Pisciculture, cultivation of processing of fish. Fish की cultivation को हम कहते हैं pisciculture. Fodder means food for animal. So children, with this we finish this chapter. I hope you have understood. So stay safe, be blessed. God bless you, children.